Hi friends, welcome to Dia's tutorial. So in this video I'm just going to show my clinic. Not my clinic, it's my mom. I'm just working here. It's basically a small setup clinic. This is ultrasound. Then this is IFT gel, which we need very importantly. Then this is the couch with the traction is attached along with the couch, and then we are having electric stimulator also. So I'll make a video about an electric stimulator, okay, which many of you may not know. So you'll study it in the third year in electrotherapy. So this is electric stimulator. All the modalities you'll study in electrotherapy. And this is the wax bath. Here is the sandbag. Then we are having Swiss ball, yoga mat, in which we give exercises, and also we are having weights. I'll show you. Then here comes the weighing machine. Okay, and here is a thermometer to check the temperature, and surface disinfectant, and goniometers, everything, and also sanitizers, set, everything we are having. And here I want to show you something. This is kinesiology sports taping. Actually, kinesiology taping is a separate course, there is a separate course for this to learn and to treat different conditions. So this is very interesting thing. Actually, I am also planning to do this course. I exactly don't know much about this taping. I'll surely share a video about this next time. Taping, kinesiology taping. So this is it about the clinic. Then I think it's been a long time since I have made a video. So this thought of showing you the clinic, so I put this. I think I'll make the videos regularly, but I'm not sure about it because fourth year I have started. Final year is really important, right? Actually, I got my results on exactly before the new year on December end. So cleared everything. So set up into for fourth year. So it's going, online classes are going. They have said Feb will start the college. We'll see to it. Then what else? If you have any queries, you can comment. I'll surely reply to you everything. Then any doubts or anything regarding physiotherapy, you can comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Dia's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to Dia's tutorial and don't forget to hit the like button.